Alright guys, so for this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your website with WordPress. So after you have WordPress installed and you follow that link, obviously put your username and password. In my instance is username and admin and password is pass. Then I get on the inside of WordPress. Okay, this is how my dashboard looks like. And I don't know if you're familiar with WordPress or not. If you are, then you can just disregard this video and go ahead and build your website. If not, just follow this video and I'll teach you. So first and foremost, I like to use a theme, and you guys will get this theme as well. So basically, come over here, upload theme, choose my file. I like this theme right here, and then just click install. We'll wait till this installs. And there you go. And then we'll just click activate. Perfect. Now we head over to plugins, and we want a couple of plugins just to stay compliant with what we're doing. So let's go ahead and add new plugins, and let's search for Contact Form 7. And let's find it over here. Actually, Contact Form 7. And let's go ahead and install it. Activate plugin. And then we'll just need one more. We'll call it Auto Terms of Service. Go ahead and install it, and then activate it. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and create those pages to stay compliant. So let's over to pages, add new page, and we'll call this Contact Us. Now, we'll head over here to plugin. I like to open this plugin in a new tab. This plugin page in a new tab, just so I can have access and see these right here. So let's go to settings for Contact Form 7. And right here we'll have a short code. So we're going to grab this short code and then just place it right here. Very, very simple. And then we'll click publish. Perfect. Now we'll add another page. Call it privacy policy. And terms of service. Then basically the same thing. Head over here to the plugin page and find the settings for auto terms of service. Now over here, I'll walk you through these steps. We're gonna go ahead and click on displaying full name. We're gonna make up a name. I'll use Brenda Miggs for this video. So again, Brenda, possessive name is Miggs. And then domain name, just grab the domain name. Okay. Then come all the way down here and just put a venue. California is fine. You can make one up. Court location, San Francisco. And then just basically CA. Go ahead and click Save Changes. And then grab this shortcode and head back and place the shortcode. Then click Publish. Alright, now we'll head over here to Appearance. Now in my themes, this theme has an option. Now you guys will get this theme as well. So let's go head over now to Homepage, and I select this layout. And let's go ahead and just click Save Changes. Then let's head over here to General Settings. Actually, Performance. Or Styling Options. Now here, we can actually edit how our page looks. So we can select our colors. Let's just green. Select the background color, or you can actually have a little nice color like this, or nice background image. And we'll click Save Changes. I'll show you guys more about it over here once I'm done, once the site is built out. Now, let's head over here to Menu. Now we're going to create a menu. So for this, let's call it Footer, for this option that we're going to do now. We'll call it Footer, and then very, very simple. We'll select Footer, and then we'll add the pages we just created. Privacy policy and contact us. We'll go ahead and add that to menu and then click Save Menu. Now, let's go ahead and open our site. Let's go ahead and just view our site real quick to see how our website looks like. And then you'll have this. See how we added a nice little image back here. And then as you can see, our privacy policy and terms of service have been added. This is all automated by that plugin we got. This is just to stay compliant. Same for contact us. There you go. Okay, now we're compliant. So we'll head back, but our site looks very, very dull. So let's go ahead and fix some of these things up here, add some categories, and then we'll add a post or two. So to do that, very, very simple. We come back over here and we go to Posts, and we hover over Posts and select Categories. First off, just go ahead and just quick edit this and name it Pirate, or whatever your niche is about. In my case, I'll just name it Pirate King. Update the category, and then we'll add some weight loss tips. Add new category. Then we'll add some weight loss supplements. Add new category. And I guess we'll just leave 3 for now, but you can add more. Now, let's go ahead and go back to Appearance and select Menus. Okay, now that we're in Menu, let's go ahead and create a new menu, and we'll call this menu Header. And we'll create the menu. And now basically the same thing. We're going to find our categories, view all, and we'll tick them all, and we'll click Add to Menu. Select Header and click Save Menu. Now if we come back to our website and we refresh it, you'll see the categories pop up right here. Okay? Now let's go ahead and fix all this stuff here that we see. And to do that, it's very, very simple. We'll select Widgets, and we'll just remove recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. We can add a calendar. Let's go ahead and add a text right now. We'll name this text advertisement. This is where our ad is going to go. So just leave this option, leave this content empty for now, but go ahead and add this. And we'll click Save. And if you want to add, you can actually add the recent post back to it. We'll place it over here just so people can see our recent posts. I click Save again. And then let's go back and check our website. So we'll refresh this. Now we have a nice little calendar, the most recent post, and it'll say just advertisement up here. This is for it to be compliant again. And then our ad code would be right around here. For now, you won't see it because you'll see this in another video. But go ahead and do it anyways. So now let's go ahead and add a post. Now, how I add posts is very, very, very simple. Select Post. Let's go ahead and edit this one. We'll call this weight loss tips. I'm going to remove this. We'll come down here and we'll select which category we want to add it to. Weight loss tips. Untick this one. Now it's very simple. I come over here to Google. Weight loss tips. I usually go to like the 4th or 5th page of Google. How to gain weight, how to lose weight, 25 easy weight loss tips for women. I'll take that one. So I'll check out the post. Looks pretty good. Then basically what I'll do is just go ahead and I basically just copy the entire post. Copy the entire thing. So just bear with me while I copy it. Just making sure I don't copy anything else. Like that advertisement right there. I think I missed one up top. Actually, we'll just copy that as well, and then we'll just delete it later on. Okay, so right around here is fine. So we'll copy this back to my post and basically just paste it all. Now I'll go through this, make sure I didn't get this advertisement right here that I picked up. Delete the advertisement. This one as well. I didn't pick up any other ones. This one as well. Yeah, you don't want any of these other people advertisement on your website, so just go ahead and delete them all. It does take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it. I think I got a couple more on here. Okay, that's good. Now, very simple. You see all these links and hyperlinks that this blog had? I just go ahead and select all, and then just remove links. And that's it. There are no more hyperlinks on this website, on this post. Now, what I'd like to do is just go back to Google and just go back to images and then find an image. So like 12 weight loss tips. Go ahead and save image as weight loss. Once you save the image, head back over here and come all the way down here and set featured image. Let's go ahead and look for what we just downloaded. So we'll choose the file, set featured image, and then click update. Now we'll come back to our website and click refresh. And there you have our very first post. So you can click it, and there's your very first post. Now, I know you guys see this down here. If you don't want this thing to show, very easy to remove. Come over here, hover over appearance, theme options, head over to footer, and then just delete this. Save changes. You can also head over to single post and remove the author box so no author shows. Select save changes. And you go ahead and refresh the post. And if you don't want this comment to show either, very, very simple. Head over here to comments, trash it, head over here back again, back to your website, refresh it, and it should be gone. Very simple. Now, all you have to do is just add a couple more posts. I would recommend you add at least 5 to 10 posts before you add your ad code. And then I'll show you guys how to add your ad code next.